Once you've got it into a bowl, just wrap it up with some saran and put it in the fridge to chill for 20-30 minutes. Our squirrels have been thawed out and rinsed. We're going to season them with a little bit of salt right now while we're prepping the pressure cooker. Get a little bit of oil into the pot and heat it up. Get ready to put the squirrel in. The squirrels have been patted dry, and we're going to drop them into the pot now to brown. It's already starting to smell good. Let that sweat down a little bit. Once the vegetables have cooked down a little bit and are a little translucent, we're going to add our secret ingredient. Lipton onion soup. And now we cover with some water. Maybe a little more water. We need to make sure most of the squirrel is covered. That's good enough. Bring the temperature up as high as it can go. And then we put the lid on onto the pressure cooker. Add the pressure regulator. And just wait for it to start rocking. Once the gentle rocking and hissing begins, you can turn the temperature down a little bit. Now we're going to set the timer and cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, time's up, and we turn off the power, or turn off the heat, and let the pressure go down before we can safely open it. Okay, so the pot is cooled down and we can safely open it. Careful of that hot steam. You can get scalded pretty easily. Okay. Squirrel looks like it's done. So now we gently take the meat out and we're going to separate it from the bone. Okay, now we're ready to make the roux. We'll put in a good sized knob of butter. And let that melt. Then we're going to add some of that squirrel broth. And stir that until it becomes a thick gravy, bringing the temperature up to a full boil. Season to taste. At this point, I like to add some black pepper. Let it come to a boil for 1 full minute so that it reaches its full thickening power. Then you can add the meat. Add some more vegetables from the broth. Then you can add the boneless squirrel meat. This is pretty much going to be much thicker once it cools down. You could actually eat this as it is over noodles or rice, but we're going to make a pie from this. And we fold over the edges. Pies have been assembled and placed on a greased baking sheet. Yeah, I think I might have to crimp these a little bit better. But they're good for now.